everybody, it's Casey with Snake River Seed Co-op. I'm super excited to tell you that we got some USDA grant money, which we're very grateful for, and it is allowing us to travel around the state, bringing all the seed-loving people together. So small farmers, home gardeners, big-scale seed producers, all of it, for these 3-day events that are taking place all over the state this summer, coming toward you, Magic Valley. When we, so let's see, it'll be July 6th, Sunday. We're gonna start off our extravaganza. July 6th to the 8th is when it'll be. So so the seed schools are generally 2-day events where we're bringing together hands-on seed education. We're bringing the love of seeds, the celebration of seeds, so you can learn how to do all the stuff you need to do to produce high quality seeds, to add that to your market garden offerings if you're not currently selling seeds, models for that, all sorts of stuff like that. And then we are kicking off the seed schools with field days at some of our awesome certified organic farms who are Snake River Seed Co-op growers. So Magic Valley, we're doing, the field day is gonna be on Sunday, July 6th at King's Crown Organic Farm, which is like one of the oldest organic farms in Idaho, one of the best organic growers in Idaho, 700 acres, certified organic, row crops, and also doing beef cattle. And Nate Jones has been like the dad part of that operation, and then his son Wilder Jones is doing a raw milk dairy on the same spot. So there's just so much cool stuff happening out there. So that's in between the Treasure Valley and Magic Valley. So if whichever way you're coming from, you can join us there if you want. That's in Glens Ferry. And then on Monday the 6th and Tuesday the 7th of July, we'll be in Twin Falls. Monday the 6th.
Monday the 7th?
Monday the 7th. Thank you, Riley. Monday the 7th, we'll be in Twin Falls at College of Southern Idaho doing all day hands-on seed saving 101 kinds of stuff. So you get lots of experience doing hands-on stuff with seeds. And then on Tuesday, we're gonna head on a little tour of Magic Valley seed producing and seed infrastructure businesses. So we're going to start out the day at Thousand Springs Mill in Buell and learn more about the milling of seed crops and what kinds of value add can happen there. And then we're going to go and spend our middle part of the day at Native Roots, which is some of the preeminent native plant and native seed organizations in the state, doing some really cool work using genetics that Steve Love developed at the U of I in Aberdeen. And Steve Love has contributed to this co-op as well. So that's a really cool partnership. And then we're gonna finish off our day at the Kimberly Research and Extension Center, which is gonna be awesome because not only do they have the only certified organic handler for large-scale seed cleaning in the entire southwestern part of the state, which we'll get to see, and all the big, like, this color sorters and all the stuff. And then also they have the foundation seed program where they're keeping foundation seed stock of a whole bunch of different grains and legumes, beans, all sorts of stuff going for researchers all over the country. So super important work happening there. We hope you can join us for the Magic Valley Seed School, July 6th through the 8th. Be there, be square.